Have you ever had a moment where everything on the outside looks perfectly fine? You've got the degree, the job, the routine. You meet people. You smile when you're supposed to. You keep going. But then, when you're finally alone, there's a silence, a heaviness. Something deep inside feels off. Not broken, not shattered, just empty. A strange kind of emptiness that makes no sense, because you're doing all the right things. If you've felt that, you're not weak, you're not broken, you're not lost, you're being called, not by the noise around you, not by society's checklist, but by something much deeper, yourself. You see, we live in a world that teaches us how to exist, but never really how to live. It tells us what to chase, what to want, what to fear. And somewhere along the way, we forget how to listen to ourselves. Most people don't even realize it. They go through life reacting to things, deadlines, notifications, expectations, but they never truly meet themselves. And that emptiness you feel, that ache, that quiet restlessness that follows you even into your dreams, it's not a glitch in the system. It's the system cracking open. It's the first whisper of awareness. Life gently nudging you, saying, "Wake up. You are not this noise." Because here's the truth. Spirituality isn't about religion. It's not about incense or mantras or escaping into a forest. It's about presence. It's about looking within and realizing something powerful. That the voice in your head, the one that doubts you, shames you, compares you to everyone else, that voice is not you. It's just an echo, a collection of everything you've been told, everything you've absorbed, everything you never questioned. But beyond that voice, there is stillness, there is clarity, there is you. And if right now you feel like nothing makes sense anymore, good. It means the masks are slipping. It means the distractions aren't enough anymore. It means the world has failed to silence your inner truth. That's not a breakdown, that's a breakthrough. So if you're here, if these words resonate with something deep inside you, then let this be your moment, the beginning of something real. Close your eyes, take a breath, not to calm yourself, but to awaken to this moment, this breath, this awareness. Because the journey inward doesn't start with answers. It starts with a question, a single, quiet, courageous question. Who am I, really? This isn't the end of your story. This is where it begins.